Hey, I'm Jeff. I'm so excited to be talking about the Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses. I've had a chance to use these for about a week, and I'm super impressed with the iconic Ray-Ban design, the 12 megapixel camera that really opens up my eyes to new ways of capturing content, and this has Meta AI and open ear audio. Let's take a look. These are actually smart glasses with Meta AI built in and voice control. You can ask Meta all sorts of questions and it'll have that AI built in, give you suggestions, quick math if you need that, help with recipes, ideas. Let's put it on and try it out. Hey Meta, write me a poem about Best Buy.
In Best Buy's halls, tech treasures abound, a haven for gadget lovers, a joyous sound.
How cool are these? So this has open ear audio, and what that actually is that you don't need headphones on, you don't need earbuds. The audio will come through the side and the inside of the glasses. So you can put them on and you can listen to your call, listen to your music, and still hear the surroundings around you, which I thought was really great. I love that it has Spotify built in. There's a one tap button on the side I can hit and it will play my next suggested tune. So on the front of the glasses, there's a 12 megapixel camera that can be used for photos and capturing videos. There's a button on the top right here. Press that once, capture a photo. Hold it down a little bit longer, and now you can capture video. So it has a 5 mic system built in. I was surprised at how this sounded picking up my own voice, but also those around me. I really do like the AI and voice control on this. I can be out on a walk, get an incoming text message, you can read it to me. I don't have to look at my phone, I can enjoy my surroundings. I can even say, hey Meta, call my mom, and we can catch up. Or I can text my buddy Will and tell him how horrible his fantasy baseball team is doing. Best yet, you can live stream. I can connect to Facebook Live, Instagram Live. So you double click on the side of the glasses when you're in your live stream and it'll switch over to your glasses so your audience can see what you're seeing. So with the case, you get up to 8 charges. That's up to 32 hours of charge time. The glasses themselves do last up to 4 hours, which is pretty great. Just really meant to go back in the case, charge them up, and be ready to go for the next time. So we do have a few different styles available and colors. We have the Wayfarer, which is the classic Ray-Ban style that I personally love, wear that style sunglasses all the time, and the Headliner as well. My coworker Neil loves these and the brown color. On this model, I'm really impressed with the translucent design. I can see the technology and some of the things on the inside, and it looks really cool, kind of a conversation piece. As far as the lenses, we come with some other options as well. You can go with clear if you don't want sunglasses, if you want to wear them inside, or they have transition lenses and regular sunglasses as well. So if you have prescription glasses, you can also get those and they are compatible, so you can have your prescription in your glasses. Well, that was fun. My name is Jeff. These are the Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses. We put a link in the description below. Check out, we have some options there, and I'm gonna go live stream.